Want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face or recording a single video? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn passive income using AI tools. No cameras, no complex editing, just smart automation. Let's dive into how you can let AI do the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on growing your income. Imagine earning money from a YouTube channel without ever needing to record your voice or film yourself. AI handles everything, allowing you to create faceless videos that still engage and inform your audience. Now let's talk about the AI tools you need to get started. Here are the top tools I recommend for building a fully automated YouTube channel that earns passive income. The first step is creating a compelling script. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper.ai can write scripts for you based on your chosen topic. Simply enter a few keywords or prompts, and the AI will generate a full video script that's ready to go. Next, you'll need a voiceover. Don't worry, you won't have to record it yourself. AI voiceover tools like Murf.ai or Descript can convert text into natural-sounding voices. You can even select different voice styles and accents to fit your video's tone. Finally, let's bring it all together with video creation. Tools like Pictory.ai or InVideo allow you to create entire videos based on your script. You can generate video scenes, add text overlays, and create professional-looking content without ever using a camera. Once you have your AI tools ready, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. Here's a quick breakdown of how you can create and optimize a faceless, automated channel. Pick a niche that you're passionate about or one that has a proven demand. It could be anything from tech reviews, health tips, or even motivational content. The key is to focus on evergreen topics that consistently attract viewers. Step 2. Create your first video. Using the AI tools we discussed earlier, generate your first video. Write a script, turn it into a voiceover, and combine it with visuals from AI-powered video tools. Step 3. Optimize for SEO. Make sure your video titles, descriptions, and tags are optimized for search. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidiQ to find high-ranking keywords and increase your chances of getting discovered. Now let's talk about how you actually make money with your AI-powered YouTube channel. The most common way to earn income is through YouTube ads. Once you meet the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start making money from ads that play on your videos. Another great income source is affiliate marketing. Include links to products and services in your video descriptions and earn commissions every time someone makes a purchase through your link. As your channel grows, brands will start reaching out for sponsorship deals. This is a great way to boost your passive income without creating new content. You can promote products that align with your channel's theme in your videos. There are already many successful YouTube channels making passive income using AI tools and automation. Take Channel Name, for example. They earn thousands of dollars every month, and they don't appear on camera. Or Channel Name, a faceless channel that uses AI voiceovers and video creation tools to grow a loyal audience. The possibilities are endless, and if they can do it, so can you. All it takes is some smart AI tools and the willingness to create faceless content. Ready to start earning passive income using AI without ever recording a video? Subscribe to the channel for more tips on AI, automation, and YouTube growth. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. Let AI work for you while you sit back and earn. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.